been in here before?
I did wander in here before once by accident, but the coffee place wasn't open. But there wasn't any cars there that day.
MG's here. Good MG.
Yes, it's the MG club over there. These are just, I'm not sure what these are here for. Are they part of the show?
The 4x4 show.
I just think they're just support vehicles for these tents here. I don't think they're part of the show.
I want one of these.
Yeah.
It's a ferry.
Is it?
Could be.
There's a YouTube influencer just bought a Fox. I think it's called a Fox the other day, which is like a little tank, which is a British Army thing. But it was in California for some reason.
Machine gun quite useful.
Apparently they're a bit of a dog to drive. So a real Bentley. That's your initials. It's got your initials.
It's got yours.
You'll have to buy it off him. I think that's been restored.
Oh well, yeah. What's underneath it? Nice number. 325 or something.
Late
328.
late Ford Capri there with the big motor as well. Did they go up to a 3 litre or was 2.8 the biggest? I think 2.8 was the top.
No, you could get a 3 litre.
Is there a 3 litre?
Older engine.
Nice Cortina as well.
What's known as a Cologne V6.
Right. So was the 2.8 better?
Well, it was more modern, more fuel efficient. I think I had a Cologne, an Essex V6, and that had a carburettor. Whereas this is probably,
What car was that in?
Gilbert.
Ah, yeah. Because this is like the European version of an American muscle car, really. Almost. Like a little bit less muscle. Yeah, that's a good one though. Because you used to see them on the road sometimes still when I was a kid, but they were all quite tatty by that point. But obviously they've been restored now, or you just see nice ones at shows now. This is nice. These are becoming valuable now.
Yeah. Well, you get Honda, legendary Honda reliability, parts availability. You don't see many.
Quite a wide range of stuff here, isn't there? What do you want to look at? What do you want to look at? Shall we have a look at these minis? That's a me. It's a half a mini. Ford Fiesta, I bet. Even the Metro became cool if you wait long enough. That is a good colour. Do you think that's the original colour? Do you think that's the original colour, that one?
I don't know.
Yeah.
No.
No chance. I don't think that is, no. They're sort of bumper car paint, aren't they?
This is the
I think that's been modified. I wonder if they've tuned it. Some spontaneous dancing breaking out over here. It's not a K series, it's A series. I forgot.
It's got an 83 tax disc.
I forgot what they called that engine. Is it the A series? There's some big air filters there. That adds a few horsepower. I saw one of these this morning. This is what I wanted to buy, and Mum went, "No, don't buy that." Yeah. Yeah. I'm not sure what's happened there. I don't think it's. Is it supposed to do that? Maybe it is. Maybe it is. But, this is famous. This car is famous because it's the car you got to smash up in Street Fighter 2 on the Nintendo.
If you look at it in size compared to that Golf,
It's a Corrado. Corrado on Porsche wheels as well. You can fit them on a Golf actually. I'm not sure if they'll go under the arches though. V6 as well. That's really nice. We've just seen a rare Morgan, which was semi-auto, so I could actually drive it as well.
you could if you could, yeah. You'd have to pay about 30 grand or just let you buy it.
Yeah, he said there's what, like 40 of them in the country?
It might be 40 grand.
I think I'll just pay a bit more for the insurance as well. Look at that.
Yeah, who would have believed it?
Well, you actually don't see many of them anymore. Did you own one of these?
Yeah. This might be a V8, but I had to.
Oh, you had a 2000.
Yeah.
Good car?
Yeah. Took it to Europe and it's a V8, yeah.
There are a lot of Fords and Volkswagens here today. And a mini Moke.
Yeah. Bit drafty.
Well, actually, that one's a Moke. I'm not sure what this is.
Yeah, that's a Moke.
Oh, Scamp. Scamp. It's a Scamp. According to that sticker, which is probably still based on a Mini, I would guess. Well, you know, I like a Mercedes. This is quite a good one. Lost the badge off front though. Deduct
Souvenirs.
Deduct 2 car nerd points for not having a badge on the front.
That bit then.
I don't think that's standard either. It may be for putting a flag on, I don't know.
Well, yeah.
I don't know, that's not the original wheels either, is it? It's the desirable coupe, pillarless coupe.
We'll go in your carport.
I don't know if this will show up, but there's quite a lot of wood in there as well.
Yeah.
And it's an auto, so I can drive it.